In this video, we are going to be folding an Origami Fox designed by Fabrizio Pianosi. Also, at the end, I will be demonstrating a little adaptation I made of this fox to create a tail. This is Leila Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com.
The fox gazed at the little prince for a long time. "Please, tame me," he said. "I want to very much," the little prince replied, "but I have not much time. I have friends to discover and a great many things to understand." "One only understands the things that one tames," said the fox. "Men have no more time to understand anything. They buy things all ready-made at the shops, but there is no shop anywhere where one can buy friendship, and so men have no friends anymore. If you want a friend, tame me."
To make a fox this size, we need a piece of paper 6 by 6 inches, 15 by 15 centimeters. I will demonstrate with a larger piece of paper. This is cami paper, brown, white. We begin with the white side facing up. We are going to fold in half, bringing one edge to align with the other. Unfold, rotate, and we are going to create pinch marks at the corners. We make the lower edge align with the left edge. Pinch mark. Repeat. We are going to turn the paper over and we are going to create a fold from the lower center up to the side center. Align this with the central crease. Repeat here. Unfold, rotate, and now we are going to make a fold along here by bringing this edge to the center, and the fold starts at this diagonal. From here out to the right. While it is folded like this, we are going to make a short fold, bringing this edge to this edge. Unfold. And while we are here, we are going to inside reverse fold. That means that we're going to open this layer, press from the side, and reverse, so that this is a valley fold now, and this is a mountain fold. We're going to unfold, rotate, and repeat on this side. First this, from the intersection to the left, fold, inside reverse fold, unfold. We have these long diagonals here. We are going to fold, rotate the paper so that it looks like a house, and we are going to be making a fold from this corner out to the center. Align this edge with the slanted edge. And then we make a fold from this upper corner to the center, meeting this fold that we just made. Align this with the upper slanted edge. We have a pinch here. We are going to be pinching the paper and making it go all the way so that that pinch mark meets the folds at the center. So we have 1, 2, 3 folds meeting at the center. We're going to pinch here and bring this flap up and create another fold along here. So we press flat. This is our rabbit ear fold. We're going to repeat here. So we have these two flaps. We are going to open them. We have this vertical fold here. Meeting this diagonal fold, we are going to be folding along this and creating a couple of folds here. To do that, we start by pressing from the left and hold. And as we do that, we see that this point, we want the next fold to start right there. So we pinch together, press, and when this flap is all pressed, we push down. We're going to repeat here. Press from the right all the way to this intersection. Pinch so that this corner is well defined. We press together and push from the back, flatten. Now we are going to be making a fold starting right here at this corner. If we lift this flap, we see this corner. From that corner to this raw edge, somewhere around here. And the guideline is that we are going to imagine that the fold goes all the way from the upper left corner to here, but we will only press from that corner to the center. So to do that, we bend the paper over, make sure that ends in a point here, and imagine that it goes all the way to this corner. We are just bending the paper. Once we see a point here and here, then we press from the corner, the upper corner, to the center. There is a crease there. It will meet that central crease. And we are going to repeat here. But we press from here to here only. These last creases take the shape of a letter V. At the bottom here, we had pre-folded an inside reverse fold. So we are going to fold it again. I place my thumb underneath, open the flap, press from the left, and reversed. It's all there. Same on the right. If I turn it over for a moment, I have this. And then this flap, we are going to fold it down. And then we go back to here. We are working in the air. We are going to press from the sides, press toward the center. And as we press, we have this mountain fold. We have these two valley folds. Press from underneath and the sides. And turn. I will keep this brown area pointing to the right. The next fold will start at a point on this folded edge, ending here at this corner. One layer of paper. We press underneath all the way to here. Unfold, turn it over, and we're going to repeat on this side. Make a fold along here, bring this edge to align with this. One layer of paper. Turn it back to this side. We are going to rotate so that this color area is on our left. And we are going to identify that point where this last crease ends, right here. From that point, we are going to make a fold connecting to this angle, this point here. So I'm going to make a valley fold first, but it will eventually be a mountain fold, so that it's easier to visualize. Then we are going to fold to the back and hide it. And then we have this flap in the back. We actually bring it over and trace over here. We're going to rotate. This will be the legs and this will be the head. The fox could be looking in this direction, or it could be looking in this direction. It depends on the side we make this fold. In this case, I'm going to be making on this side. We are going to bring this edge to align with this edge. Better to work in the air, all layers together. All the way. And then we can make one last fold, soft mountain fold here. So we just bend the paper a little bit so that we can create some expression. So we are going to press from underneath this triangle. And then we can open the ears. We can make a variation in which we convert this leg into the bushy tail that is wrapping around the legs of the fox. So we are going to make this into a tail, and this will be a leg. To do that, we are going to open these layers, and this point we are going to be folding it up as much as or as little as we want. That's for the white tip of the tail. So I fold it not quite to this corner, a little less. So that's becoming a tail. I'm going to be rounding this to the back. So we have a tail wrapping around. So we're going to be shortening this point. To do that, we're going to fold along this line that we have there. And we come back about and then we blunt the corner. Then we can open and pleat. Mountain fold, valley fold. We press from underneath and this returns. And then we blunt the corner. And then we can fold this to the back.